बहुत कठिनाइयां है। 5,200 करोड़ रुपए के लागत से टनकपुर पिथौरागढ़ होकर लिपुलेख तक मार्ग बनाया जा रहा है। 370 में से करीब 200 किलोमीटर पूरे हुए हैं और 129 किलोमीटर का काम काफ़ी अड़चने हैं। उसके बाद भी हम उसको आने वाले साल भर में पूरा करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
A few weeks back, Minister for Road, Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari announced a road project from Tanakpur to Lipulekh via Pithoragarh for Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Mansarovar, though in China, has two approach routes, and the one that is motorable and easier to traverse runs via Nepal. The route in Nepal is by the Lipulekh area. But now the execution of this plan might face a tough challenge. Nepal's newly elected PM Balen Shah has raised objections and may decide to put a stop on this pilgrim path. Kathmandu asserts that Lipulekh is its territory and was not consulted on the route. Nepal's government spokesperson Sasmit Pokhrel stated that Lipulekh area belongs to Nepal and that Kathmandu remains firm on its position. While asserting sovereignty, Nepal has also emphasized that the issue should be resolved through dialogue and diplomacy with India. The latest friction comes after India opened the Kailash Mansarovar pilgrimage route via Lipulekh Pass, with the yatra scheduled between June and August 2026. India, however, has firmly rejected Nepal's claims. MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal termed the move an untenable attempt at unilateral expansion. New Delhi maintains that Lipulekh has been a long-standing route for the pilgrimage since 1954 and not a new development. The dispute dates back to 2020, when Nepal issued a revised map incorporating Lipulekh, Kalapani and Limpi Yadhura. The moves that India rejected as inconsistent with historical facts. Despite the sharp exchange, both sides have signaled openness to dialogue, keeping diplomatic channels active. As the Yatra season approaches, the Lipulekh issue underscores a familiar challenge in India-Nepal ties, balancing historical claims with present-day diplomacy.